The first step is to download SeeYouLink for Windows. You can always find the latest version at seeyoulink.com/download. After the installer is downloaded, run it, and then click the Install button to proceed with the installation. In the end, click Finish, and SeeYouLink will start. If the senior doesn't have a SeeYouLink account already, proceed with the registration. Once you fill in your info and click Register, SeeYouLink Main Menu will load, and you will be offered to start free 15 days trial. After the trial ends, you will be able to purchase SeeYouLink Premium monthly or annual subscription, or to continue using SeeYouLink Free with just video calling feature enabled. For a typical inexperienced senior, SeeYouLink should be configured to be the only interface to the computer, hiding all the complexities of the Windows environment and preventing any accidental change. To do that, open SeeYouLink Settings by clicking or touching the gear icon in the upper right part of the screen, and then choose General Settings. Scroll down to the Action on Exit section and click or touch on Exit Application, and then choose Shut Down System. Now, when the user is done using SeeYouLink, he or she can touch or click the Exit button in the SeeYouLink home screen, and the computer will shut down. Next, under the Restrictions section, check Prevent Deleting and Protect Settings with Password by clicking or touching rectangles on the left. By doing this, you will prevent the senior user from deleting anything that should not be removed or to change SeeYouLink settings accidentally. Opening Settings will now ask for the user's SeeYouLink account password. Depending on the senior's eyesight and size of the screen, it is advisable enabling high contrast cursor and visual feedback on click or touch under Accessibility section. Once done with mentioned settings, click Save, and then go back by using the Back button, and SeeYouLink will ask to restart to apply new settings. One of the most beneficial features of SeeYouLink is video calling that enables you to have visual contact with your loved one. Friends and family of SeeYouLink Shell users can use our free SeeYouLink Calling web app by opening app.seeyoulink.com in the browser on their smartphone, tablet, Mac, or PC. To get connected with the senior using SeeYouLink, send an invitation to yourself by opening Video Calling and then Add Contact. Enter your email in the search box and click Search. If you don't have SeeYouLink account already, you will be offered to send an invitation. Click on the Send Invitation button, and you should receive an email in a moment. Click or tap the link in the email and fill in the form with your first name, last name, username, and password, and click or tap Register button and then Continue. You are now connected and ready to make a call. At the same time, you are added as a contact into the account from which the invitation is sent. SeeYouLink email application supports any email provider that offers standard IMAP SMTP access. If the senior does not have an email account already, we recommend creating a free account with Microsoft Hotmail, now known as Live, by opening signup.live.com in the browser. To set up an email account, open Email from the main menu and then click Set your email account, or open Settings and then Email Settings. For Hotmail or Live-based emails, you just need to fill in the email and password and click Save, and email is ready to be used. For Gmail and Yahoo, some extra steps are required, and we have explained the procedure in a separate video tutorial. If the email account is not brand new and was already used to exchange some emails, you can import contacts by clicking Import Contacts and then selecting contact that you want to import, and finally clicking on the Import Selected.